Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to explain a program. Write a program to find the sum of the digits of a positive number. This is my email address. If you have any query, you can ask me over here. This is the start symbol of the flowchart. And then we will take an input no equal to input number, and then sum equal to 0 and m equal to no. This is initialization, sum equal to 0 because I want to add the sum into this variable, and m equal to no because I want to keep the value of no as it is. That's why I have stored into variable m. Next, I have applied a condition if no greater than equal to 10. If this condition will be true, then it will move to the yes, and if the condition will be false, then it will move to the no side. D equal to no percentage 10. Here I have used a remainder symbol. D equal to no percentage 10. Remainder will give you the remaining value. For example, if you have 35 divided by 10, then remaining value is the 5. And the answer that will be the question, for example, 35 divided by 10, answer will be the 3. Next, sum equal to sum plus D. Sum already contains value of 0 and D is the remainder of no percentage 10. Next, no equal to no divided by 10. Here I have used a Python notation, no /10. It will give me an integral value, a whole number, integer value. For example, 35 divided by 10, the answer is 3.5. But due to this one /, it will give me 3. And then it will move to sum equal to sum plus no. And in case of if the condition will false, in case of no, it will move to sum equal to sum plus no. And then return sum. It will give me what is the sum, what is the value of what is the answer, and that answer will store into the variable sum. And after this, algorithm will be ended. Okay, algorithms. I have written algorithm 1, sum of the digits, input in integer number. Suppose I am going to enter number is 235, and then sum equal to 0. Sum will store 0 at the initial stage. M variable will get the value from no, that is 235. Then it will move to the loop condition. I have used while loop, top testing loop, no greater than equal to 10, and no contains the value 235 greater than equal to 10. Yes, this condition is true. In this true condition, then it will move to the body of the loop. In the body of the loop, I have used percentage sign. As I told you, percentage sign will give me remaining value, remainder. 235 divided by 10, it will give you 5 only. Okay, and then it will move to the next statement. Next statement is sum equal to sum plus D. The value of sum is 0 plus D. D means the remaining value. Remaining value is 5. It will give me 5. Then it will move to the no divided by 10. It will give me integer value of no. For example, 235 divided by 10. 235 divided by 10, answer will be 23.5, but it will give me only 23. Next one is, it will again move to the next stop condition. No greater than equal to 10, 23 greater than equal to 10. Yes. In case of yes, then it will move the body of the loop. In the body of the loop, I have written D will get the value from no percentage 10. No contains 23 percentage 10. The answer will be 3. Then it will move to the next statement. Next statement is sum equal to sum plus D. The value of sum is 5. Previous value is 5, and now value of D is 3. It will give me 8. Next is 23 divided by 10. It will give me integer value, and answer will be 2. In case of 2, it will check to the next condition. 2 is greater than equal to 10. That will be false because 2 is not greater than 10. In case of false, it will move to the direct line number 9. Line number 9 is written sum equal to sum plus NO. Sum plus NO, the value of sum is, previous value is 8 and no value of NO is 2. It will give you 10. After this, it will display the sum of digits of M. Now M contains the original value of the input value, that is 235. It will show sum of the digits of 235 is 10. Sum of the digit of 235 is 10. This is the code written in Python programming language. You can read it. If you have any question, you can ask me. And this is the code written in C++. Thank you, students. And if you have any question, you can ask me. You can send me message on my email. I will give you reply. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.